Tired of the back-and-forth email dance to book appointments? Let's integrate a seamless scheduling system directly into your Squarespace website, turning visitors into booked clients with just a few clicks. First, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and locate the Marketing tab in the left-hand menu. Hover over it until the submenu appears. Within the Marketing options, you'll find Scheduling. Click on this to access Squarespace's built-in appointment booking feature. This is where we'll get started if you're new to this. Squarespace will present a setup guide. Click on the option to set up your online scheduling. Now, let's define your services. You can add different appointment types, set their durations, specify prices, and even add brief descriptions. Be detailed here to give clients a clear understanding of what they're booking. Next, it's crucial to set your general availability. Select the days of the week you're open for bookings, and the specific time blocks you're available. This ensures clients only see open slots. Once your services and availability are configured, it's time to bring this powerful tool to your website. Visitors go to the page where you want clients to book appointments and enter the page editor. Click the Add Block button, and from the available options, select the Scheduling block. This will instantly embed your live booking calendar onto that page. Your clients can now view your services, check your availability in real time, and book their appointments directly through your website. No more lost leads or missed opportunities. And the best part? All booked appointments will automatically appear in your Squarespace scheduling panel, simplifying your calendar management and freeing you up to focus on what you do best.